How to delete your Facebook page from desktop. The first thing you do is go ahead and open up Facebook, and now you want to click on the top right profile icon. From this drop down menu, go ahead and select your profile. Once you've done that, you'll be redirected to your profile page, and now you want to click on the top left profile option. Now you're into the manage profile tab. From here, just go ahead and click on settings, and now you want to scroll down and find access and control. From here, you're given two options, either to deactivate your account or delete your account. Go ahead and click on the delete account option, press on continue. You can download your data or you can transfer your data. Go ahead and press on continue. Type out your password and then press on continue again. In this page, Facebook tells you that you have 30 days to cancel your deletion. Go ahead and press on continue. And boom, there we go. You have successfully deleted your Facebook page from your desktop.